Alright, so we're going to begin another video learning about montages. So a montage is just a series of images. You've probably seen it in trailers and probably on YouTube. So we're going to edit some horror pictures because you've got a horror assignment coming up with English. And you can change the speed of them, you can change the way they fade in and fade out and give them a very significant different effect on them. So let's just drag in the images. You'll have to download them. I've already downloaded mine. Just get them from Google Images. And so here are my 5 images. There they are, just going like that. Now it's a bit boring at the moment, so let's change them up. Let's probably first of all speed them all up. So just select them all and change the speed. We can cut them as well, but we'll just make it 2 seconds. Oh, that did not work. So just select them all and we'll just drag them. Hold Shift. I like to do it. There's a way to do it automatically, but we'll just do it manually. And so we're going to play with opacity today and also position. So just drag them all close together like that. So what we can do with the first image, we're going to change the opacity. So let's make that 0. Here, make sure you click on the image and you change the effect control, so make that 0 and it should go black. And remember, just make it for about a second, then make it 100. So let's see that out. Excellent. Now before we fade out, we have to make sure that we type in 100 opacity and make it a keyframe, and then just go to the right of the end of it and we'll make it right at the end. Just missed it. There we go. Make it 0. Let's check that out now. Nice. Alright, so next is we're going to change the position. The scale. We'll change the scale first. Let's make it about 80. And then we're going to zoom it in. Did that work? Make sure you click on the right image or it won't work. So we're going to change it 80 to about 200 and see what that looks like. So we can zoom it in even faster. That's alright for the time being. And we can again just play around with the opacity for this one. Make it flash this time, so go 0 and put it to 100. Remember, just double tap that space bar a bit more. Make it go 0, double tap 100, double tap 0 and double tap again. Now try that out. See what that feels like. Gives you a bit of a haunted feel to it. This picture's really cool, and we're going to zoom in with this one. So change the position and the scale. So the scale starts at 100 and we're going to make it 300. Yep. And then we're going to also change the position of it just by clicking up like that. Alright, let's go back to the start. It's pretty scary stuff. Alright, so you need to do at least 6 images just like I've done before the end of class.